Alexa, start Akinator.
Welcome back. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is your character a male?
Yes.
Is your character Indian?
No.
Does your character really exist?
Yes.
Is your character related to music?
No.
Phew. Is your character an actor?
No.
Is your character known for making YouTube videos?
No.
Is your character linked with sports?
No.
Is your character still alive?
Yes.
Is your character the boss of an important company?
Yes.
Ha! Is your character linked with cars?
Yes.
I guess that you are thinking of Elon Musk. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I guessed right. Do you want to play again?